If your law firm's looking to understand StoryBrand better, watch this video. I want to show you an example. So pay no real attention to the design. We're really looking at the elements here. And I'm not a fan of the design, I guess that's why I say that. But it is something that I mocked up quickly for this law firm, Schifrin and Longo, because basically they're looking for a new web presence. And I just wanted to paint the picture of what a StoryBrand website does. And so I made this mock-up and just put in some elements, and I would definitely replace this picture because here I would actually show the future, what it looks like if I hire you, right? That's what I actually want to see here above the fold. And remember with StoryBrand, we're always positioning the client as the hero and your firm is the guide. You're the one helping them. So first, protect your brand, secure your business future. They're expert trademark attorneys helping safeguard your brand page. And just to be clear, this is like a trademark landing page. I put a little blurb here, basically kind of explaining what these are. But basically, we want to tailor a brand script for each one of your practice areas. And in this case, it's schedule a free trademark consultation. Again, a super common mistake I see is law firms are building websites and they're building landing pages and they're not gearing them towards their ideal client. So the messaging on that page may be the same on every one of their practice area pages, and they're not the same clients. So are they going to be as likely to convert? No. That's why we can see 30% more conversions when we use a framework like this. So now let's scroll and you see right here, your brand is the most valuable asset. Don't leave it unprotected. So we're identifying the problems that our ideal customers are facing. And we tailor this basically based on an intake form, of course. But here are the 3 problems, right? Like if I need a trademark. Many businesses face legal risks from unprotected trademarks. Without proper guidance, your business name or logo or slogan could be at risk of infringement. And then confusion over trademark laws could cost you time, money, and peace of mind. And again, I don't love this picture. I just threw in a stock photo. I'd love to use the firm's actual photos. But basically, we would want to show, that position. And then we go into introducing the guide. Meet Schifrin and Longo, your trusted trademark partners. And we introduce them as the guide, the person that will help them through their problems. Basically, we're taking an empathetic approach here. We understand how overwhelming trademark registration and protection can feel. With years of experience, blah, 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 all that stuff. And then we're going back to those steps that we've talked about in other videos, right? Like, how are we going to actually help you? Well, let's give you 3 to 4 simple steps. Consult, right? We're going to do a consult, and then trademark clearance, and then filing, and then ongoing protection. That's one way this firm might be able to help. And then we're going to say, hey, make sure to take this call to action. And we have 2 calls to action. And if I was designing this for the client in a little bit more detail and time, I would actually put the primary call to action kind of a lot bigger right here. And that's schedule your free trademark consultation. But if they're not ready, I'd have a blurb and then say, download our free guide to trademark success. So that's for the people that aren't ready yet. Those are the people you put in your drip campaign, right? You want to stay top of mind for them so when they are ready. And then we have to talk about, what does my future look like if I do hire you? Oh, great. Let's look at that. What does it look like? My brand enjoys nationwide protection. I can focus on growing my business with peace of mind. Awesome. And I can avoid costly legal disputes. Amazing. But wait, what happens if I don't? So we got to really talk about the cost of inaction. And that's risk of brand theft or infringement, costly legal battles, loss of business reputation, and customer trust. So don't wait. Again, another call to action. Boom. And then in this example, I did add their services below. And then I just put a simple footer. But you can see how this framework will really make a difference. And if you're tailoring this for each one of your practice areas, you're starting off with your firm brand script, so all of your messaging is the same across all of your social media channels, all of your digital marketing, all of your offline marketing, your billboards, whatever you're doing. And then you create these brand scripts for each practice area that speak to your ideal audience. And that is how you're going to get more conversions on your law firm marketing.